We just got, well, we didn't get to the room yet, but we're on the 32nd floor and we have a jacuzzi in our room, so. Okay guys, so I'm actually at the Hilton. You guys have seen some footage already. I'm at Niagara Falls. You guys seen some footage of that too, and I just have to say that this is such a beautiful view. So I'm here for 3 nights and this is only my 2nd night, and I am just like loving Niagara Falls. This is also my first time in Canada, so I feel like so hyped. I didn't even know there was 2 different kinds of waterfalls. If you guys ever been to Niagara Falls, you'll see that there's like 2 different waterfalls. One of them is actually like frozen because it's like the beginning of April, so you know, still getting over like winter even though it's spring. But yeah, still getting over winter. One of them is still like frozen, but the other is like beautiful. I actually went down there earlier today and there was a lot of mist. Everybody came out of that area like soaking wet. It was crazy. That's why my hair is not looking good, by the way, because my curls are, you know, look at these. They're getting somewhere, right? They're really like spiraling, but my hair is a little bit more frizzy and like stringy because of the mist earlier. And my makeup probably looks a little bit like it needs to be touched up. But yeah, the mist did all of that. I also went to the Bird Kingdom and that is so dope. I will insert some footage of that, of course. And later on tonight, going to dinner. Well, we're going to dinner at the Skylon Tower. It just reminds me of the CN Tower in Toronto, so it looks so dope to me. And the elevator, like, you guys will see footage of that, of course. I'm just like so excited to go to dinner there. And yeah, I'm really loving Canada. Of course, it's my first time, so I'm loving Canada, and I will definitely be coming back in the future because everybody's like super nice here, and I like their accents too. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of my stay here at Niagara Falls and at the Hilton Hotel, then please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thank you.
So full already.